Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your SHEIN password, you can reset it directly from the app. First, open the SHEIN app and go to the login screen. Next, once you're on the login screen, you're going to go ahead and tap the option that says forgot password. Then, enter your email address or phone number linked to your account. Now, head over to your email or messages. Now check there for any messages from SHEIN. Then check for the reset code or link. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure the password that you're creating is a strong one and a unique and different one from the old one, so people won't have access to your data or privacy. Follow the instructions to create a new password. After resetting, log in again using your new password and confirm that everything works, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.